Liberty Barros is an English flexible dancer, yoga dancer and media personality. She was born on December 1, 2007 in Leicester, England to parents Raam and Elisette Barros. She grew up in the Knighton area of Leicestershire and later lived in Slough and Peterborough. Barros has a younger brother, Mathis Leo Barros, who is also involved in gymnastics and holds his own Guinness World Record for the most male splits in 1 minute, achieved in 2024. Barros rose to fame as a contortionist, flexible dancer, yoga dancer and media personality, earning the title of the world's most flexible girl. Her signature move, the Liberty low-down back bend, has become iconic and is named after her. She operates a highly successful YouTube channel with over 4.61 million subscribers as of February 2025, where she shares her flexible feats, tutorials and comedy content. In 2022, at age 14, she auditioned for Series 15 of Britain's Got Talent as a schoolgirl, captivating audiences with her contortion performance. She has since performed on international shows including Got Talent España, America's Got Talent and Super Talent, where she received a Golden Buzzer. Additional appearances include features on Nickelodeon, BBC programs and as a front cover star in the Guinness World Records 2024 book and replaced Believe It or Not 2025 book. In October 2024, she was announced to star in her own superhero comic book. Barros resides in the UK with her family and draws inspiration from artists like Rihanna. She balances her career with school and enjoys promoting fitness and flexibility through her platforms.